2, 1, start. Learned Advocate General, however, very fairly conceded that in view of the Honorable Apex Court decision in Leela Prasad's case Supra, the rules framed under Article 309 of the Constitution of India cannot be said to be an act of Parliament or of the state legislature, and by the impugned notification and order dated 14/7/2016, none of the act of the Parliament or the state legislature is sought to be affected. Accordingly, the said notification and order may not stand the test laid down by the Honorable Apex Court in Prasad's case. The respondent and the intervener respondents who have been selected and who have also been appointed in the scheduled districts, or the intervener respondents to whom the appointment letters could not be issued due to the interim order passed by this court on 18/9/2019, are represented by learned senior counsels. Learned senior counsel Sri Anil Kumar submitted that the petitioner do not have any case for consideration, as they took part in the selection process, knowing full well about the reservation made in favor of the residents of the scheduled districts, and having taken part in the selection process and having failed in getting selected, they now cannot turn back and challenges the conditions laid down in the advertisement. In this connection, learned senior counsel has placed reliance upon the decision of the Apex Court in Union of India and others versus Vinod Kumar and others, reported in 2007 8 SCC 100. Learned senior counsel has submitted that the governor of the state is fully competent under paragraph 5 of scheduled 5 of the Constitution of India to issue the notification making reservation in favor of the residents of the scheduled districts in order to secure justice, social, economic and political to the residents suffering variously in the backdrop of the condition mentioned in the notification. Learned senior counsel in this connection has also relied upon Article 46 of the Constitution of India. It is submitted that under Article 15 within bracket 4 of the Constitution of India, the state is empowered to make special provisions for the advancement of any socially and educationally backward classes of citizens, or for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, and as such there is no violation of Articles 14 and 16 in the present case. It is submitted by the councils that the scheduled area cannot be equated with the non-scheduled area. It has pointed out that such action had also taken place in the state of Jharkhand previously and has been upheld up to the Honorable Supreme Court. In this connection, tribal communities were created and accorded a certain degree of autonomy to regulate their affairs on the basis of their own conventions and traditions. Many of these communities choose their leaders through an informal consensus, and it was held by the Honorable Apex Court that in the panchayats located in those scheduled areas, the exclusive representation of the scheduled tribes in the chairperson position of the same bodies is constitutionally permissible.